What's up guys, Average Tech Guy here, and today we're going to be doing a comparison between the Zugu case and the UAG Metropolis, both for the iPad Pro 11 inch. Let's see who's going to win. Both of these cases are actually really great cases. Now, we know that UAG has put out a remake of this case. The first one had the little notch up top. It didn't support Apple charging with the pencil. It didn't support sleep wake functionality. But now they've actually gotten this formula correct. We see that they've gotten rid of that notch up top. The rubber backing is still there. It's still the same. Now you still have this nice microfiber lining over here, and you have an even stronger magnet on the back that's going to allow you to hold your Apple Pencil. The rubberized edges are really a great achievement as well, because your case is not going to break. It's not going to get dinged up. It's not going to bend on the sides. Now, with that being said, this is a rubber case, and rubber does give some. I feel that that is good because it absorbs shock. If you drop it, the rubber is going to absorb the shock and your case won't get damaged. Now, I'm going to try the iPad on both of these cases in this video, but for right now, I'm just going to talk about both cases. This is Zugu case. Now, this is the Zugu case Muse. It has a magnetic front with these little notches that's going to allow you to stand your case at just about any angle that you like. On the inside, you have a nice, smooth, decorative microfiber lining on both sides, so you're going to be protected front and back. Hard rubber TPU. Rubber edges are hard. Camera cutout. All the cutouts match up. If you check my other videos out, all cutouts actually match up on this device as well as this device. Two ways to carry your Apple Pencil here, though. You can choose to put it in a pouch and not charge it, or you can choose to store it right here on the side and charge it. Charging is available on this one. Sleep wake is also available on this one. Sleep wake is available on that one. Buttons over here, I love the buttons on this one. It feels like you're actually pushing on the iPad itself. You're not getting a rubberized texture. It's just basically a click, boom. Down bottom, you get a magnet. That's magnetic. That's going to allow you to stand this in all those different angles. And once your case is closed, you're going to open it using this little flap right down here. Okay. Both are great cases. Both are protective. I feel that the Zugu case is a little more protective. It feels a little more rugged. But let's get both cases on the iPad, and then we'll talk about it a little bit more. First up, we're going to do UAG. So our UAG just basically snaps on around the edges. Once you get it in there, make sure we got it snapped all the way around. Once you get it in there, you're going to close it. You're going to snap it. And there we go. If you want to carry your pencil, now you are going to undo that. Drop your pencil in. And that is for on the go. Now, I'm still a little leery about carrying it out here because it is still exposed and it could hit something and maybe come off. But there is a little notch right here that's supposed to basically cradle your pencil and hold it in just like that. So it should stay protected. Like I told you, all the cutouts match up, so you don't have to worry about that part. All your cutouts are great. Protective. Hard rubber edges. It's not bending. I mean, if you put force into it and try to bend it, it will bend. I will guarantee you that. But just sitting here in this case, everyday use, this iPad is not going to bend in this case. So this is one case that will not allow your iPad to get bent. Do I like this case? Yes. Does it have everything that I want? It does. But like I said, I'm still a little leery of the pencil exposed on the side. That's my only issue, just because this pencil costs 129 bucks. Now, I did mention it does have the cradle and it does have that magnet, so it is protected. Let's move on to the next one. I did forget to mention, I took the iPad out already, but I did forget to mention you do have multiple viewing angles. but you just have a few more on the other side. So we'll talk about that when we get there. But you do have multiple viewing angles, and you have little notches. These little notches are right here in the groove. You can barely see them, but they're there, 1, 2, and 3. But you can use those for different angles. Now let's look at the Zugu case. Now I'm going to open this up, lay that down, and place my iPad in. Okay, iPad snaps in really nice, really neat. Front stays nice and closed, holds on. You're gonna lift just like so. It's kind of hard to do up in the air. We got our auto sleep wake. Remember I said we can carry our Apple Pencil right here on the side. Now this Apple Pencil is a little less protected just because there's nothing holding this one. At least on the UAG, you get a little ledge holding it right there. But the reason I would pick this one is because if I wanted to, I could just put it in a pocket, and I know it's going to stay in that pocket. This pocket is a polyester stretchy like material. It's going to hold that Apple Pencil regardless of what you do. So you're not gonna be able to shake it out. You're not gonna lose it. So over here, you have 2 separate ways to hold your Apple Pencil. If you need to charge it right quick, boom. Both cases are really good. Like these are the angles that you can use any of these angles. But both cases are really good in their own way. But I'm gonna lean more towards the Zugu case. Zugu case feels a little more premium. I like the backing. I like the front. I like the different angles that you can sit it in. I like the option to put your pencil back here and know that it's going to be secure. Like I said, it's secure here through the magnets, but I don't like to walk around with this out. Remember, this pencil costs 129 bucks. So the feeling to know that it is secure and it is protected. And plus the buttons over here, I just can't get past the buttons. Buttons are, let's see if you can hear them. These buttons are really nice, really tactile. They feel like you're actually using the tablet's buttons. So for this comparison, I'm going to have to give the winner to Zugu case. Zugu case, I got it in a couple of days ago. I've been enjoying this case. I've been using this one even more than my OtterBox. So I'm going to be doing another comparison. I'm going to be comparing this with the OtterBox that you know I love and I like it. I love it so much. But I think this may be my new favorite case for the iPad Pro 11-inch. Let me know what you think below in your comments. I'll leave in the description links to both of these tablet cases. You can go pick either one of them up. Like I said, both of them are good cases. I just prefer the Zugu at this moment. Until next time, please give me that thumbs up. Please subscribe, and thank everyone for supporting me and watching these videos. Average Tech Guy out. Peace.